Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kat, better known here as the Yogi vocal coach, and today is my second installment in my vocal cooldown series. If you don't know what a vocal cooldown is taking your voice from being super warm and working and singing back to neutral. And the shape that we're using in our face today is kind of like a trumpet player. It's a sort of relaxed puffy cheek thing. Much like last time, we're going to have a click counting us in. You're starting all the way up here. It's going to be quite a high track today, but it will come all the way down, don't worry. We're going to do a whole octave of this exercise, and here's a little demonstration so you know what to expect. So some of you who've been around here for a while might recognize this face shape from my semi-occluded vocal exercise video, and you'd be right, this is another SOV, but this time instead of a warm-up, it's a cool down. So we're taking our voice from being used a lot back to neutral because we don't want to build up of any lactic acid, we don't want to have any injuries, and most importantly, we want to just take the voice all the way back to its neutral speaking position. Remember, it's all the way up here! Keeping that up note. If it's too high for you, drop the octave, but we're still going to get you back down to neutral. Standing or sitting HOSOKNOT, click's going to count us in. Here we go. To support your voices. Keep your face relaxed. Nearly there. Keep going. Getting lower. Really excellent work. So you might find out that your voice might not even make it all the way to the end. It might be too low for you, and that's fine. Just means that your voice maybe doesn't go that low. For me, my range is a little bit stunted because I had voice surgery and I'm still getting back to where my voice used to be. Let's do it one more time. You got this. Click counting us in. HOSOKNOT support. Here we go. Well done everybody! So you can repeat that exercise as many times as you like, or you can mix and match it with some of the other videos in this playlist. So I've created a vocal cooldown playlist that I'm going to be adding to every single week for the next few weeks. So make sure you check that out, and why not use this video as part of your routine? So your warm up, your exercise, and then your cool down. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and comment down below how you enjoyed it and how you might incorporate it into your practice routine. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you enjoyed my content, I teach one-to-one lessons every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So don't forget to drop me a DM if you would like to take part. All the backing tracks that I use in my videos are made by me, and I'm now uploading them to my Patreon, which you can find in the description box below if you would like access to them yourself. But for now, look after those wonderful voices of yours, and I will see you next Monday. Bye!